A proposed bill seeking to strengthen the espionage law was discussed during the Senate Committee on National Defense hearing. In the plenary, Senator Panfilo Ping Lacson revealed alleged sleeper agents and members of the People's Liberation Army of China possibly entering the country on the sly. The issue on Chinese nationals who also became members of the Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary was also raised during the hearing.
Yung Israel's Ministry of Defense nakapag-flag down ng electric car made in China na nagagamit pang espionage.
Agents come and go. Inaresto mo, merong papalit dyan. And I heard, no, I have it on good information, na maraming sleeper agents. No? Even regular members of PLA na nandito. Imagine, widespread eh. Meron tayo sa Palawan, meron tayo sa Makati, meron tayong Dumaguete. Umabot na sila sa malapit sa Aguinaldo, and then Comelec, Malacanang.